mga to. His name is Jinho!
Ikaw? What are you doing here?
You know, I'm gonna stay here.
You can't stay here.
Why?
Because
Ano
you...
yan? Ex mo?
Eto, ex ko?
Ex mo siya?
Imposible yan, Lola. Sinasabi mo.
O bakit? Parang may something.
May something. Kasi magkakaibigan kami tatlo. Right? We're friends, right?
Yeah.
Friends, ha? Ay! Kakaloka kayo? Kinabahan naman ako sa'yo. Akala ko pa naman magkakaroon ako ng, alam mo, karibal sa baby ko. Buti na lang sinabi niyo magkaibigan kayo. Kasi, doon siya matutulog sa kwarto mo. Ay, ba naman, kakainis naman. Siya, ikaw na muna bahala dito, ha? Okay, he's gonna show you the room, ha? I'll see you later, ha? Ano ba yan, bakla? Tawag ka ng tawag.
Why do you want to live here? Your place is better.
Because you're still in danger. And Dursa is still out there. I'm here to protect you. To be your bodyguard.
For free?
Kahit palibre yan, I don't need the bodyguard. I don't need you to protect me. I know Taekwondo.
Oo, matik na yon. Pero paano kung naagrabyado ka? Teres, bakit hindi mo tatawagan? Di ba, Opa?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. That's what they call Korean guys, di ba? Opa.
Yeah, but, you know,
Sige na, wala naman tayong magagawa kung gusto niya tumira dito eh. You can live here. Just stay out of my way. Clear?
Leah, you know, you won't even notice me because I'm good at my job.
Whatever.
Come. I'll show you to our room. Opa.
Will you please stop? Diba I told you I'm going by myself?
I told you, I'm your bodyguard. I'm here to protect you from any possible attacker.
Basta ako, babatayin ko to si Opa.
Please lang. I'm gonna go alone. Ninong,
Una, kumusta ka na? Ano yung ebidensya sinasabi mo tungkol sa amin?
Nung araw po kasi na namatay po si Ramon Orgos, nakita ko po na pinapahirapan po siya ng isang babae, pati po yung mga kasamahan niya. Tapos nakuhanan ko po ng video. Nandito po.
Natanong mo ba yung mga taong na kuminili ka silang flash drive? It contains a video of me and Ramon na kailangan kong mabawi.
Ito pala yun.
Opo, Ninong.